Hello, Ace readers. Welcome to Read Aloud Books with me, Alice.
Write and describe.
Hello, Ace readers. This week's story is called When You're Being a Gremlin, written by Vanessa Costa. When you're being a gremlin, stormy and small, when tears tumble out and you're mad at it all, I gather you close and I quietly say, I love you, my gremlin. I love you anyway. You toss all your dresses, your socks take flight. You claim everything feels itchy, too loose or too tight. You fling your pyjamas, your headbands, your shoes. Then dramatically howl, I've got nothing to choose! But even when nothing feels perfect to wear, I'll wrap you in love that's always right there. You sink in your chair with your eyes glued tight. The tablet is glowing, the world feels bright. I say, grab your backpack, we're going to be late. But you stare at the screen like it's up for debate. You challenge and fight, you're stubborn, it's true. But I can't fully blame you. I can be that way too. You struggle and frown when the zipper won't zip. Help me! You snap, I lean in, you flip. Me! I can do it! You glare and shout. Your feisty little gremlin is out and about. I know you're determined to do things alone, but you'll always have help. You're not on your own. Even when no is your favourite sound. My love is right here, it's always around. When big feelings come crashing through, I see my brave girl and all you can do. You're going too fast! You holler in your car seat throne, though we're driving quite slowly in the school zone. You huff and you puff, you shout on repeat. Your gremlin's in charge from the back seat. But even when you want to control every turn, every mile, I love your fierce heart and your cute worried smile. You stomp in the house with your wild gremlin roar. Your backpack explodes, your coat hits the floor. You yell at the crackers, the cheese sticks, the fruit. I don't want anything! You cry and kick off your boots. I know you're still in there under the roar, beneath all the stomping and tantrums galore. Some days feel heavy, some don't go your way. But don't you worry, your safe space I'll stay. I love you, my gremlin. I love you anyway. No matter where we go, when anyone's mid-speech, you have to be heard. No one's out of reach. Excuse me, you say with no time to spare, then fill up the space with your words everywhere. You chatter, you giggle, you interrupt too. But I love how you say, I just love talking to you. You're spirited and bursting with so much to say, and I'll love your big raspy voice forever that way. You stand in the playroom, your lip starts to pout. There's nothing to play with, you stubbornly shout. But toys fill the shelves, the floor, the chair. Your gremlin insists the room is bare. So we sit for a moment and look all around. Then you spot something sparkly right there on the ground. Let's play Pretty Pretty Princess! You erupt with big cheers. With your crown on your head, your gremlin disappears. If your brother is playing, you suddenly need that one special thing that he picked out to read. Or the car in his hand, or the doll in the chair. You must have it now. Your gremlin says it's fair. You snatch with a snarl, and he starts to cry. So you shriek even louder, but don't quite know why. It's hard when you're little and learning to share, when your emotions get tangled and life feels unfair. But even when you're snappy and not at your best, you're still my girl, so loved nonetheless. It's time to clean up, Daddy calls to the mess, but you flop on the floor in full protest. I can't help, my arms don't work. Your gremlin pops out with a twirl and a smirk. Cleaning is tough when you're sleepy and blue, when your heart feels big and the mess does too. So we take a deep breath, nice and slow, Then pick up one block and give it a go. Even gremlins can try and then try again. I'll always be beside you, my fiery little friend. When it's finally time to start heading to bed, you're thirsty, you're starving, you want me instead. I can't close my eyes, you mumble. I don't know how. But you're starting to get much sleepier now. Even when you're acting completely untamed, the world's against you and I'm loudly to blame. You're having a tough time, and that's okay. I'd ride this roller coaster any day. So I smooth your hair gently as your wild drifts away and softly remind you, I love you, my gremlin. I love you anyway. You push every button. You test every rule. Some days you could run a whole gremlin school. But just when I'm frazzled, worn thin and stressed, you kiss my cheek and whisper, Mummy, you're the best. And somehow my heart forgets all the rest. The truth is, mummies and daddies can be gremlins too. We yell, we fight, we lose our cool. We huff about dishes and trip over toys. We forget how to breathe. We forget to find joy. But even when we're all being gremlins, it's true. I still love you like you love me too. And that's the magic on wild, messy days. Love doesn't leave. It just finds new ways.